Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to sing the A-E-I-O-U vowel code song. Do you want to learn the secret code so you can learn to read? That's what we're doing at our lessons. If you're taking lessons from me, make sure to have your songbook open to the page A-E-I-O-U vowel code and follow along. Well, we've learned the first and second sounds for the vowels, the short and long sounds. Today we're going to add the third sound for some of the vowels. Let's take a look. Here, you notice I have the vowels A, E, I, O, U. In the first row, they all have a little smiley face at the top. That's the symbol for a short vowel sound. So when it has the smiley face, we say A for apple, E for egg, I for inchworm, A for octopus, and for umbrella. Then if we look at the second row here, do you see how each of the vowels has a line over the top? What's that a symbol for? That's right, the long vowel sound. So A will say A for apron. Here we'll say E, like in eagle. For the I, we'll say I, like in ice cream. O for oatmeal. And U for United States or uniform. Now, let's get on to the third sounds. We have 3 new sounds in this song today. And if you notice, they have 2 dots over the top. So that's the symbol for the third sound. For the letter A, the third sound is aw. And you might think, hey, wait a minute, Mrs. Ross, that's the same sound as the short sound of O. And you're right. So the third sound of A is aw. And you can see it in this word. Aw, ul, all. So we use the third sound in words like all, and if I put a B right here, it would make the word ball. And if I put an F in front, yes, that's right, it would say fall. What if I put a T in front? It would make the word tall. So those are words that have the third sound of A. The third sound of O is oo. And you'll see it in little words like this one. It says oo, t, oo, two. And if I changed the T and made it a D, it would be the word do. So that's the third sound of O. And then we have the third sound of U. Remember, the symbol is the 2 little dots over it. And it says as though you're pushing in on your tummy and say And a word that has that is this word. We'll say all of the sounds separately and then put them together. P, t, put. Put. So we have words like put, push, full. Those are words that use the third sound of U. Let's say the sounds now going across the chart. And this is how we'll sing them in the song. So the sounds of A are A, aw. The sounds of E, e. The sounds of I. The sounds of O, oo. The sounds of U, u. Good job. Well, I have some friends that are going to help us sing today. They're the chipmunks. They are so funny. Are you ready to hear their funny voices? Okay, let's go, guys.
The sounds of A, A-A-R. The sounds of E, E. The sounds of I,
I.
The sounds of O,
O-O-oo.
The sounds of U, U.
That's the vowel. The vowel. The vowel code.
Won't you try it again?
The sounds of A,
A-A-R.
The sounds of E,
E.
The sounds of I,
I.
The sounds of O,
O-O-oo.
The sounds of U,
U.
That's the vowel code. Vowel code.
That's right.
That's the
Vowel
vowel
code.
code. Vowel code.
Vowel code.
That's the vowel code. Vowel code. That's the
Vowel
vowel code.
code. Get ready.
Vowel code.
A-A-R, E, I, O-O-oo, U,
Vowel code.
Well, that was fantastic. I hope that you will practice this song again and again. And I will see you at your next lesson to find out if you remember the third sounds of these letters. Good job, students. See you then.